Have you ever tried dried lemon candy? This is my experience.
Very, very delicious. A must buy.
These are all what we had purchased during our travel to Bhutan, and this is one among them. This is dried lemon candy. This is made with lemon. You can see how the texture looks. One whole lemon has been used in this. It's round in shape. I'm just trying to figure it out how it has been made. I'll use a knife to cut it into two parts and let's see how it is inside. It's soft, it's easily cutting, and look at it. It's so beautiful. Though there are seeds inside, you can see it's not dry, it's juicy. When you press it, there is some moisture inside, but it is absolutely dry from outside. You can look at the texture. Now it's time to taste it. At this moment, we do not know whether it is sweet, sour, salty, what the taste is. After tasting only, I will be able to tell you how it is. This lemon candy is very aromatic and it is irresistible. I can't resist tasting it. It has got a sweet and sour taste.
You can see inside it's juicy. The outer cover is dry. This is very, very delicious. A must buy. Perfect.